Our next speaker is the co-founder and principal technical director of Xcontract. He's a principal AI consultant for one of the biggest AI companies in China. So please help me welcome to the stage, Rock Shea.
Thanks to everyone, and good afternoon. And it's so exciting to be here to introduce our project. And yesterday, Uncle Da, right? Uncle Da, and said they are finding the killer app on chain, right? On the blockchain. So I believed our project is the killer app on Neo. Woo! Right? OK. So our project name is the Xcontract. X is stand for the future, for high technology, and for smart. So our project is a decentralized conversation as platform on smart contract. So I will tell more about why we make this one. Let's take a look back to the past 20 years. The internet started, and we see the internet change our life, change our work. And it also changed our world. It connects everything, so it changed our world from a diversity one to a centralized one. The giants controlled all the resources. The resources centralized. And we found that the resources imbalanced, and it makes the skill gap among the people, and it's kind of innovation barriers for the startups, and it also makes them unfair and disruptions more and more. So we think we can change this prediction. We can use some AI technology to make the situation, to change that. So we think AI and the blockchain is the new engine to change this prediction. Our mission is to empower everyone and every organization to empower the people to embrace the new economy. We should make everyone can use, enjoy, and get benefit from the smart economy. Can use it very easily. And how we do that? Our vision have four visions, right? The first one is the concretization. Oh, it's hard to pronounce. OK, that means that everyone can use. Everyone can easily use. Everyone just can use their nature languages. They can use their speech. They use their text, use the people nature language to create smart contract, to consume the smart contract. That's very easily. And the second one is diversity. Diversity means you can cross-platform, you can cross-channel. You can use WeChat, or you can use the Facebook Messenger, or also you can use the Telegram to use your nature language to use that. Also, it is cross-chain, cross the blockchain. You can on Neo or on the Ether or any other blockchain. And also, it's cross-language. You can use Chinese or you can use the English. It doesn't matter. We can translate any language to another language. You can communicate with each other, or you can use the specific language to create smart contract. And the third one is intelligence. Intelligence means smart. We are smart economy, right? So the third one is the most important one is intelligence. Intelligence means that we have the AI technology, we have the natural language processing based on the deep learning technology. We use the translation between different languages. We can get the intent, exact intent from the user input. And we can convert the user input into a smart contract. And the first one is the perpetual. The perpetual means always on. We are based on the multi-cloud platform, and also it is based on the blockchain. Blockchain is always on, right? It can never stop. And we also based on multi-channel, WeChat or Facebook or the Telegram, any channel. So you can use your natural language, use any your speech to do any business across the smart contract. So let's take a look about our architecture. So the below one is our infrastructure. This is a public platform, and we're based on multi-cloud platform, maybe Google, Microsoft, and AWS. And then the middleware is our core technology. The core technology contains the most important one is the languages. You can get the intent from the user, or the NLP, and we can use the translation, and we have the knowledge base, and then we'll add the speech, right? Later we'll add the speaker recognition. We can use the speaker recognition to recognize the speaker. And also, we may have the vision, computer vision. We can recognize some image or some picture we can get something from the image. So this is the vision. And above is the channel. It's the channel. The messenger app from the user. The user throughout this channel to touch us. So maybe this covers Telegram, Line, Facebook message, email, or something, some enterprise app, or it is OK. So the above is in different scenario. We'll also have the, maybe we can do any business, maybe financial. We can do the decentralized in currency exchange, the coin exchange, right? And this is financial, and we can do some gaming. We can use the natural language to do some gaming in the on-chain. And the top one is our business model. You can see the seller and the buyer. And the most important one is the service provider. We're not only to C, we also to some B, the little b. And the B is the speech provider. And we'll go through the service provider to help to promote our platform. So this is 2B and 2C model, business model. We can cooperate with some WeChat office account and to integrate our platform into the WeChat office account, something like that. So what makes us different? I think we have the three one. The first one is the about adapter. This is the conversation AI. Why we choose the conversation AI? The Gartner said by in the end of this year, the 50% of the newest version of the enterprise software products will include the conversation AI. Conversation will be the new AI in the next generation. And this is no boundary, because now the language is the boundary. So you can use any languages. We cover the language have covered the GDP 90%, 95% all over the world. Now the second one is the contract converter. We'll get the intent from the user and convert to the smart contract. And it covers all channels with different channels like WeChat and so on. And the perpetual connector is always on, right, based on the multi-platform, like cloud platform and some other platform. Now we choose choose one scenario to show you how our platform is. This is the a cryptocurrency transaction. It's a decentralized cryptocurrency exchange scenario. So you can use, this is a scenario, it's a demo recorded the day before yesterday. And this is, you can through the Telegram to exchange your NEO to gas. Let's take the video. You can say star and you will welcome, right? And so you can see, hey, check the price of the NEO. And the bot will check the price of NEO, yeah, the price $165, right? And how about the NEO to gas? He can recognize the intern. And I said, please help me to change find NEO to 15 gas. And it will recognize the 5 and NEO and 15 and the gas. And you will know this is the fixed price. And it will create a address. And you will transfer the NEO to the address. And it will and provide us a mail to contact you. So and then we'll create the next one, and we'll transfer the NEO to the address. You create the address, right? And you transfer the NEO to this address, and you confirm, yeah. And then you will, when the transfer done, you will get an email from the confirmation, yeah. So that's the process. The process of you will get input, right? Get input from the user. The users use their natural language to query, and you will parameterize to a contract. And the contract will write to the chain, and the people in the channels will see the contract and or consume the contract. In different, no matter in any channel or on any chain, you can search the contract and consume it. So this is not only, this is one of our scenario, the decentralized currency exchange. And we also have many other scenarios to complete. And this is our roadmap. And we started from the last year, September. Yeah, the roadmap. OK. OK, and this is and since the last year, September, the project started. And now we have the prototype. You just see the prototyped demo, and we'll release our white paper in the March, and we'll support multi-language later, and we'll have to support multi-chain later, and then we'll build we'll release just now the scenario into the real scenario. We'll launch that with GA. So, and the white paper 2.0 will release in the end of this year. So this is our team. Our team come from many famous companies, maybe some AI famous company. And our co-founder are all technical background. And then, but we are good at different things. Maybe some good at NLP, and some good at on-chain, blockchain technology, and some other maybe good at marketing, and some knows people, yeah. And this is our team. And great thanks, Neil, for giving us the opportunity to show our project to you. And this is the beginning from this is the beginning cooperation from the NEO, and I think the Xcontract will, I believe, will be the killer app on the on the NEO platform, right? The smart contract will need Xcontract, right? So one more thing. This is our Facebook and Telegram. We need lots of volunteers to, because AI needs lots of data, so we need you to input our data. Needs you, volunteers, to give us the data, to speak the data, and input us to help us to build a better model for build a better model for the Xcontract. So just scan the barcode, and thank you. Thank you very much.